Hey guys, Freddie with CJ Off-Road. I know you've seen our 2017 Silverado in a bunch of our videos, and for us, it's time to move on to the next chapter, so we are listing this truck for sale. We're asking $43,000, and it has just under 19,000 miles at the moment. So why don't you come on over, and I'll give you the tour of the truck, and you can see what it's all about. So we did get this truck to look pretty aggressive. We installed rivet-style fender flares on it, and we have a Fabtech 6-inch lift with upper control arms as well, and also these XD Series Grenade wheels with fuel gripper tires. These are 35-inch tires, great going down the road, and they handle great off-road as well. We recently just installed the Chevrolet Heritage badges on the front and rear. This isn't a Heritage model, but we think they give it a nice classy look, and if you wait right here, I'll pop the hood for you. Under the hood, not too much is going on, but it does have the massive 6.2 liter V8, which does sound amazing. We have a Flowmaster intake installed on the front of it, and right here is a module for the Amp Research power step. So when you open up the doors, the steps actually come down, which is super convenient. As you can see right now, no step is there, but once you open up the door, the step comes down and makes it super easy to get up into this truck because it does have the 6-inch lift. And inside, leather everything. It's got all the bells and whistles, super nice interior, so you can go in there and check it out. We also installed a GM chrome gas cap, which gives it a nice custom look as well. And to access the bed a little bit easier, we have this Amp Research bed step down here, and when it's not in use, just push it up. Come back here, there's a couple more things I can show you. We do have a back Revolver X4 roll-up bed cover, which is super nice, can hold a lot of weight, offers a lot of protection. We also have the GM bed light kit installed in this truck. There's a light on each side of the bed right here. So I'll roll this cover down and turn it on so you can see it. All you have to do is hit the cargo light button in the front and they turn on. And the last thing, of course, is the Borla Attack Catback exhaust, which sounds absolutely amazing. I'll turn it on for you. We also installed this Pucko Switchblade tailgate LED light bar, which works as a tail light, brake light, and turn signals, which looks really good on the rear of this truck. All right, that is our 2017 Z71 Silverado with the 6.2 liter V8. Once again, it has just under 19,000 miles, and we're asking $43,000.